Do you ever avoid things, even when you actually want to do them? It doesn't make sense. You care about it. You think about it. But you still don't start. If that sounds familiar, this could be ADHD. This isn't about motivation. It's about how your brain responds to tasks. When something feels overwhelming, unclear, or like too much pressure, your brain avoids it to protect you. Do you do this too? That's why you can want something and still not take action. Try this: lower the pressure. Instead of telling yourself you have to do it right, tell yourself you're just going to start. No expectations. No pressure to finish. Just begin. You don't need to feel ready. You need to make it safe enough to start. If this helped you understand your brain, follow for more ADHD-friendly strategies. This is based on personal experience and general ADHD information, not medical advice.